Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Brix's Loft. It is a little bit cloudy. We just had a big rainstorm. And this is the update. I have one baby here ready to be weaned right there. And we have some ready to band. Oh, they're actually getting big to band. So we'll see. And I'll show you guys, we have a new member. You got a pair of Mudinas. They're so cute, I had to get them. A friend of mine, a member, Mr. John, gave them to me. So here are the old birds. And here are the young birds. So that's from the video like last time, you guys. See this one right here, it still had a broken leg, and its breast is all bruised. So we will be creating today. So it's going to be a race on a Sunday. We will have a Sunday race because it was raining, so we couldn't have a race. At least we could see the sun popping out a little bit. I'll show you guys my long squash. There. This one is touching the ground already. See? Long. Yeah, I got the crates ready. I'll go quickly show you guys the inside. I have a few more birds there that I just banded. So here are a few more birds that are ready to train. We'll see if we could get these guys racing, get them caught up, but they're not grouping yet, so yeah, I'll show you guys the new members. This will be, I promise you guys, the last ones. They're beautiful colors. This guy's sibling died. These guys have this one we're just gonna take that off because the mother's already laying eggs. I have two more over here, and this guy right here just hatched. There's two in there that just hatched. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the club. Holy little, yeah. Some beautiful birds. How many are you going to help you? Yeah.
See a lot of E-band, but no birds. Double click. Yeah. Done?
Yes, sir. I finish. 40 ugly birds.
You got the spare one now for me to put in? Yeah.
May O4 sila?
Ha?
O4 meron?
O4? Oh, okay.
O3.
O3? Which one? Anyone?
Anyone.
O3. They're assigned. Yeah. You have to be unassigned. Oh. These are ones from the other ones. As soon as I put this on, they're from the other one. Hi guys.
Hello.
Nice to see
Mr.
you.
Swistak, how are you?
Stop.
Mr. Swistak, how are you, sir?
Very good. Look at them. They have nice basket.
Yeah, me too. Hello.
Hi, I'll go.
Good, and you?
Not too bad. Very good. Nice to see you.
Alright guys, this is Robert Hernandez, Mr. Bill, Ken, Mar, Tito Red, say hi. Mr. Cornelius, Mr. Bill. Say hello. Good luck everybody. Alright, see you. Apa. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the rest day. Good morning guys, it is now the race day. We are waiting for the birds. I took out the old bird so I could clean inside the loft. And we have these young birds to train. You see Peg Leg right there. He's raising his leg. This is the one with the broken leg. So we still have these guys. Hopefully I could catch up some of them. But I'll probably keep them as breeders. But yeah, so I got my timer all set up. Now we were just wait for the birds. It's a very sunny day so far, but it's supposed to rain later on in the afternoon, so hopefully it will change by then. So we have no birds here. Nothing. Just waiting for them to return home. The food is empty. I've got my electrolytes ready for them. Alright guys, I'll see you guys when the first bird or a flock of bird, who knows. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, we have our first bird. I did the dropper right there, you see, the one that has the blue bar that's coming in. Come on. Let's go. They're not even tired. They just keep flying and flying and flying. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Look, there's two more in there. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is the first bird race. This is not good at all. What about the training that I did to you guys? Let's go, let's go. Look, there's three of them there. They just don't want to land. Holy smokes. Look at them. Oh guys, this is disaster. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, 1971. And look, there's a hawk. These guys don't want to land. Look at them. I have one right there. And then one over there. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I'll let you guys be. And I'll see you guys when more birds come in. Alright guys, we've gotten 4 birds. These ones are my dropper. I already dropped 3 birds. And oh, yeah, sorry, we got 3 birds. We have 3 birds. And we got these 2. That's all so far. And we still have look at that. The other one is right there. It's scanned, but it didn't go inside. Oh, it's a horrible, horrible first race, guys. We still have what, 32 birds left. Oh, 33. 33 birds remaining, and we've only gotten 3. Oh my god. Alright, I'll see you guys when they all come in. Alright guys, look at this. This is horrible. There's what, 2, 4, 6 birds up in the air, and they just don't want to land. They just keep going and going and going. I've been doing that for what, 10 minutes now. A horrible first race day, guys. Alright guys, here comes more. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. It's like they're spooked or something. Come on. Like they don't wanna land. Oh guys, this is horrible. Well, horrible guys, horrible first race. Alright guys, there's 3 more. 2 over there and 1 over here, and I don't know why. I've never experienced this before. Like they come in a good time, but it's their first time racing, and then they're just flying around like they're not tired or anything like that. That's 100 kilometers, and they're just flying around and around. Alright, I'll see you guys when the race is over. Okay guys, the race is now over, and then we just got 1 landed. There, finally you've go inside. Oh my god. Horrible. So we've got 11 birds at home. So our first bird, we'll see what time it came in. 8:58, our first bird. Alright sir, guys, I'll see you guys when the results come in. Hello guys, sorry it took a while for me to make a video. I've been really busy lately. So this one was our first race, Haddishville, 60 miles. It's like 100 kilometers from me. And let's see where we are. Oh geez, I can't get the page to flip. Yes, here we are. We are in 54th place, Beadle Carmen, out of 37 birds. And I am pretty happy. So there was 424 birds. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that result for the first race, even though they were flying around, not even scanning. So here's all of it, and then here's another page. So our next race would be West Hawk Lake. So that's it for now. Please like and subscribe.